Okay, so here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try the question yourself, pause the video now. If you've got the answer C, well done. Okay, so the frequency of a body moving with simple harmonic motion is doubled. If the amplitude remains the same, which of the following is also doubled? So let's have a look at these, and we'll try and always use the equations that are given on your data book. So first of all, what happens with the time period? Well, the time period is equal to 1 over the frequency. So if I double the frequency, now I'm going to half the time period. So that's not true. The total energy, this is a trickier one to work out. I can find the total energy by using energy is equal to 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. So there's the energy of the velocity of the particle, and if I can find the maximum velocity, I can find the total energy. So we're given an equation where Vmax is equal to the angular velocity multiplied by the amplitude. The angular velocity is equal to 2 pi f. So let's have a look. If I double the frequency, I will double the angular velocity. If I double the angular velocity, I will double the maximum velocity. But if I double the maximum velocity, then the energy will increase by 4 times, because energy is proportional to velocity squared. So the total energy won't double, the total energy will increase by 4 times. So that isn't correct. What about the maximum velocity? Well, I've sort of in a way already answered that. If I double the frequency, the angular velocity doubles. If I double the angular velocity, the maximum velocity doubles. So that is true. The answer is C. But let's have a look at answer D and see why that isn't correct. Again, from your data sheets, you'll find an equation that the maximum acceleration is equal to the angular velocity squared multiplied by the amplitude. So let's have a look again. If I double the frequency, I double the angular velocity. And if I double the angular velocity, the acceleration will increase by 4 times, because the maximum acceleration is equal to the square, is equal to the angular velocity squared. So no, that's not true. Okay, I hope you found this useful. If you did, hit that subscribe button, share and like, and watch more of these to help you with your A-level revision.